So now, having shared one thought on how we can tackle the issue and stuff, and I hope somebody is listening to this, and it's going to happen and stuff, because we can see the concerns from other country. Europe, we have UK, we have India, we have China, and recently what we saw in Dubai. And of course, why do we have to go far? We had floods in our own city as well. So I guess it's time we rise and take action on stuff. So there is a small read that I have from one of my handbooks. It is a creative thinker in action, which is talking about Jeff, because Jeff, yeah, Bezos, founder and CEO of Amazon. So recently, I was watching one of his documentary films and stuff, and he shared a good quote which says, "If you double the number of experiments you do per year, you're going to double your inventiveness." The thing about inventing is you have to be both stubborn and flexible, more or less simultaneously. If you're not stubborn, you'll give up the experiment soon, which could be saying you're going to be determined and stuff and persistent. And if you're not flexible, you'll pound up your head against the wall, and you won't see a different solution to a problem you're trying to solve. Similarly, there's this president and CEO of Yahoo, and she's the former vice president of search products at Google. She says the googly thing is to launch it, which is a product, early on Google Labs, and then iterate, learning from what the market wants and then making it great. So the beauty of experimenting it in this way is that you never get too far into the market from what it wants, and then the market pulls you back, and you can work. But I kind of like this one quote of a founder who is called James Dyson. So he shared something that we are all looking for the magic formula, and we all want something interesting happening. So this is where creativity gets into development, and when you get into creativity with development, you get into innovation. And I'm not even saying have innovation, I'm just talking about green renovation. We can all start from where we are. We can have plants, we can have flowers, we can have organic farming, we can have, but in Hindi they say kheti badi. We can look after all of that. But when it comes to the government's role, or when it comes to the construction role, or the retail, or the real estate point of view, or the environment point of view, construction of bridges, construction of let's say roads, construction of let's say skyscrapers, construction of corporate offices, construction of flyovers and stuff, then I guess most people who are following me, or most people who understood where I'm coming from, or are participating and concerned about the weather and the persistent challenge we have before us, can definitely pick up a cue from here. I mean, I'm not a scientist, and I'm not sitting with engineers here, I'm not sitting with architects here, but from a design point of view, it's really very easy to understand that if 100 brains are put together, and we are such smart, innovative people, and we are such geniuses in our country, if we are going to put our minds together to a project, and we're going to look at what is existing and what is the challenge. It's not just crop burning, it's not just pollination, it's not just population, but if the existing structure, like I said, can be innovated or renovated around a green synergy thing, and you can have your minds put together. Like in Leh, when I visited them last year, they were talking about a bad airport. It was really bad, and then gradually I figured out that after having a chat with them, that they're looking at doing some solar panel projects and stuff. And why go far? We have Mr. Hardeep Singh Puri sharing that we're going to be having certain stuff around solar panels and cylinders, reaching houses of people, which is below the line and stuff. So if you put our genius brain, and we put our creative thinking and design thinking and engineering brains, and we rack around this, and I'm sure we're going to be able to find a project and stuff around this. We're going to be able to do it, and then we don't have to depend on our chief minister, who's behind bars and stuff. I guess people who are concerned about it, people can do their own bit. It doesn't have to be just the government and its people and the leaders. I mean, if you're running a firm where you're designing and you're getting projects, and you have your own building, and you're going to take responsibility and do that, then it's going to be really helping the world. So I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm sharing my concern on this because I see that it's become a global concern. There were so many students, there were so many children, there were bureaucrats, there were ambassadors, there were global heads, there were startups, there were innovators, there were designers, there were creative people like me, sitting there and understanding projects from New York, projects from UK, projects from India and stuff. So this is just something which I'm sharing. If you're tuned in, please look into this and stuff, because we just can't have the same stuff happening every year, because pollution, I'd also explained before, is a burning concern, and the AQI every year gets people down, and lungs are not just the only area which are going to be affected. It's also depression, it's also pregnant women, it's also demented children and stuff. So I'm sure it's time we wake up and we raise our concern around this wherever we go. There are lots of concerns around population, but it's not only our country. I mean, you can see from presentations of other countries, they have the same concerns, whether the population is there or not. But the burning topics and concerns are similar everywhere. So wishing everybody a great start, and I just wanted to leave everybody with these lines. So wherever you are, whoever you talk to, if you're working on a project, if you're into designing and stuff, try do something about environment and nature, and try and set the ball rolling for the change yourself. Impact positively, influence positively, but do your bit as well. I mean, we shifted from plastic to other stuff, which, like everybody else, we've got more plants this year. And I'm also looking at doing something in my own creations around nature and stuff like that. So it would be a great idea if like minds come together. So love and luck, innovation, renovation could give something. It's a term which I came up with term which I came up with, which is green renovation 2024. If that's possible, it makes sense. Do include it in your projects and in your thought share and stuff. So love and luck. Take care. Have a great day. Wishing everybody a great start and week ahead. And tourism is also affected by pollution and stuff, and so is emotional and mental health. So it's time we wake up and do something about it. So love and luck. Take care. Bye bye. Have fun. Please write to me on justinkapaani.im@gmail.com or jkapani.im. jkapani@gmail.com, and I'll be more than happy to connect and stuff. And attending events always helps you. It kind of gives you more knowledge. You learn more, you improvise, and you know what to work on and what not to work on. So make it a point to be in events and forums. I'm not saying act out of this instinct of FOMO, which is the fear of missing out, but genuinely be selective about what you want to learn and where you want to spend your time and energy and stuff, because time is really very precious. And if you use it constructively and nicely and wisely and sensibly and smart, then there's no looking back. And then there's no saying that you don't know much and people know more than you do. So work on yourself as well, okay? So love and luck. Take care. Bye bye.